Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we're making a berries and cream icebox cake. Doesn't that sound good? So I was at the grocery store and I found these beautiful strawberries. Look how big they are. Look how big that strawberry is. Here's a reference. Here's my hand. But I always go to the store and buy strawberries with the best intentions, but strawberries go bad so quickly. So I thought, I need to use these strawberries, and this is what we're doing today. The other thing about this berries and cream icebox cake is it's super easy to make. There's no baking involved. And the most that you have to do is beat some whipped cream and slice strawberries and layer. That's it. I'm going to be using 3 cups of heavy cream or heavy whipping cream. Either is fine. I'm going to beat this up for a little bit. And then I'm going to add my confectioner sugar. That's going to be 1/3 of a cup. And to that, I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. I'm going to beat this until soft peaks form, maybe 4 minutes, but keep an eye on it. So this is exactly the consistency that we want. It's not real thick. It is soft, nice soft peaks, and this is perfect for spreading. Now that our whipped cream is done, time for the fun part. I'm going to take a little bit of the whipped cream and I'm going to put it on the bottom here. Just kind of spread it out. We're going to be layering graham crackers and this is going to help them stick. We're going to take graham crackers. These are cinnamon graham crackers. You're going to need about 20 to 21 graham crackers for this, but you're going to layer them like this, like lasagna almost. Now we're going to take 2 cups of our whipped cream, and I have a measuring cup here. This is a 2-cup measuring cup. And we're going to put that on top of the graham crackers. Spread this out. And this layer is going to have the sliced strawberries. So all you're going to do is just spread them out as best you can. Now I'm going to top this with another layer of graham crackers. And we'll put on another 2 cups of whipped cream. The other thing I was thinking about when I thought about this recipe is this would be a really good 4th of July dessert, or it could be a special dessert that you make for Mother's Day. It's light, very refreshing. Now this layer is going to have blueberries. And we're going to take this and put our last layer. Now we're going to take the rest of our whipped cream and we're just going to dump the rest on top. And we'll just spread this around. I thought what would look really nice on here are some strawberry fans. Here are those huge strawberries that I showed you before. But with a strawberry fan, all I'm going to be doing is cutting the strawberry in half. I'm going to try and do it this way so that I can show you exactly what I'm doing. But I'm going to be making slits with the knife. I'm going to go up almost to the top, but not all the way through because we need this to fan out. See what I'm doing right here? Just cutting just about to the top. And these strawberries are huge, so I hope this works. And then you just fan them out like that. And that is a strawberry fan, just kind of a decorative way to put strawberries onto a dessert. All right, so our berries and cream icebox cake has been in the refrigerator for about 3 hours, and I'm putting on the strawberry fans that we made earlier. Just garnish with this. This is going to be pretty. And we're going to put some blueberries around. I like to put blueberries in groups of 3. It's just a thing I have. All right, let's cut into this. Let's give it a try. The whipped cream, the cinnamon graham crackers, now that's a must. And the fruit, the strawberries and the blueberries. If you want a nice fresh dessert that's not heavy, I would seriously consider this. Again, I said this would be great for Mother's Day or even 4th of July, red, white, and blue. Well, thanks for joining me, everyone, as we made our berries and cream icebox cake. I think it came out beautifully. and it's delicious, nice and fresh and light. So let me know if you try it. I'd love to know if you do. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, turn on your notifications so you don't miss out on any videos, and I'll see you next time. Have a great day.